Hello everyone! In this video, we will edit our contact section and add a form to our website. Let's remove the unneeded layout, drag and drop the text element, right-click on the empty layout and select Remove. Drag and drop the form element from the main toolbar and place it in the layout. Select the form composition that you like. I'll go with the third one as it matches my footer. Let's customize the form. Click on the image and in the right panel, click on the pen icon in the Pictures section. Now, upload an image or select it from the gallery and apply it. Text is next. Double-click it and replace the placeholder text. I will also align it to the center for a more unified look. When finished, press Done. Click on the form fields and insert two emails in the right panel. First, the one to which the emails will be sent, and the second one, from which the emails will be sent. Right above the emails, click on Edit Form to edit the form fields. To reorder fields, just drag and drop the field using the arrow symbol. Now, let's click on the field type and change it using the drop-down menu. Using the Name section, we can change the display name for the field in the form. Using the Placeholder section, we can input text that will be displayed to visitors within the fields. You can specify your expectations here. Lastly, tick or untick the boxes in the Required section to make specific fields mandatory. Finally, let's scroll down to the Button section in the right panel. Here, we will use the background setting to change the background color of the background for the button. Using the color option, let's change the text color to black. Right above, in the Align section, let's change how the button is aligned. Center looks best on the mobile. It's time to preview. Let's check out how the form looks on mobile screens. Fantastic! I love the result. Let's wrap up here and continue our work in the next video.